Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. So this is the new updated version model that is made in India, and this is quite changed, and it has a different processor as compared to the international version of A52 5G that was being sold in US and other countries. So this has got a Samsung's latest processor from Snapdragon that Samsung is using. It is the Snapdragon 778G, which is a 6 nanometer processor, and it has a graphics of Adreno 642L. It has got 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and the rest we can say that it has got also the Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, stereo speakers, and so on. The battery is 4500 mAh. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this box and check it out. For seal breaking, you can check the Hindi video for the seal breaking. Already I have broke the seal. So after opening in the box, we get this behind the box. Usually I forget that. So here we get the SIM ejector tool. I will keep this here, and some user guides here, like the warranty informations and all. No case. So as you can see here, it's mentioned the device, USB-C, USB cable, USB power adapter, ejection pin, as you can see here, and quick start guide. This is the quick start guide, regional lock, and warranty card. Regional lock means this phone has to be first booted with an Indian SIM, or else you cannot use this phone outside of India. So let's pop this phone out. So as you can see here, this is the phone here, and we get inside the box a 15 and 10 watt charger. Let me show you that. This is the 15 watt, 9 into 1.67 is 15 watt, and 5 into 2 is 10 watt, that is 10 watt. 15 watt fast charger, and one USB-A to USB-C cable for charging your phone. Let's open this phone out, and so after opening the phone, we can see that it has a 3.5 headphone jack, one microphone, USB-C port, and one loudspeaker. Here, my friends, I don't like this. If Samsung you're watching, why you're putting a silver ring around this? You haven't put that on your Samsung Galaxy M52. It is a cheaper phone than this, and you are not putting a silver ring on that front camera, but you are putting it here. So this is a very bad thing, Samsung. I don't like this. You are like distinguishing that here you have a camera. It's not like that. You shouldn't do it like that. You can see this S21 Plus, and we are not able to see whether the camera is there or not, but here you can see the difference, my friends. See the difference. And on the left side there is nothing here. On the right side we get the power button and volume rocker. You have the SIM tray here, one microphone here, and this is not the microphone, this is the SIM opening injection pin here. So as you can see here, this is the SIM. We get one SIM and one memory card, or two SIMs, no memory card. This is the type of hybrid dual SIM they call. So after inserting SIM, on the behind you can see this is the 64 megapixel camera, which is f1.8, and if you go to the wide angle, then it will go to f1.7. This is a 12 megapixel camera with a f2.2 aperture. This is a 5 megapixel camera with macro focus, which has a f2.2, and this is another 5 megapixel camera for depth. It has f2.4 and LED flash. And as you can see, the camera bump is slightly big, and the phone is a bit thicker as compared to the M52. So I have already done the first boot on the Hindi video. If you want to check that out, you can check that in the previous video, my friends. So nowadays Samsung, when the phones are boot, they are not mentioning the model number or anything here, just Samsung Galaxy. When I did my first unboxing on the S21, I was very curious that why my phone is not showing the model number. I was worried that I got a fake phone, but it's now like that. So when you first boot the phone, it will be just like this. I haven't touched anything, I haven't installed anything, even I haven't connected to Wi-Fi till now. So out of the box we get Google messages here. To be confirmed, let's see, it is Google messages or Samsung messages, I don't know, but it mentions that it has a Samsung Dynamics, so it might be. Yes, this is a Google messages. Yes, that's true. Out of the box it has a Google messages here. These are the apps here. These are the apps that comes pre-installed here. These are the apps that comes pre-installed from Google. These are the apps installed from Microsoft. These are the apps that comes pre-installed for the phone. These are the apps, as you can see on the second page. So whatever you don't want, you have to delete it. That's it. That's a bad thing. You should keep this phone. Although this phone is much more cleaner as compared to the previous Samsung BlueTooth, but these are, I don't like the Samsung Max, Phone Pay, Smart, Snapchat, Daily Hunt, and Josh. I don't know what that is also. If you swipe left, it will be having the Google Discover. You can change that to Samsung Free or Google Discover. You can change your themes here. And let's see the battery and out of the box what software you get. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G, software information, One UI 3.1, Android 11, and security patches. Okay, 1 August 2021. And battery, as you can see here, it is 4500 mAh battery. So display, we get a smooth display, that is 120 Hz display, and it is a fixed 120 Hz. It cannot be an adaptive one, it's a normal one. And storage is 128 GB and 8 GB of RAM. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video unboxing and first impressions about the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. So if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel. Stay safe. Bye bye.